Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to play with letters. Do you want to play? Yes, look, I have placed some letters here and they all are from A to Z. First of all, we are going to count all the alphabets. What we are going to do? We are to count all the letters. These are all letters come under alphabet, right? And we are going to count it. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. There are 26 letters in alphabet. How many letters? 26. Okay, do you know there are two kinds of letters? How many kinds? Two. One is of vowels and another is of consonants. First one contains 5 letters. How many letters? 5 letters, and they all are friends. What are they? Friends. Do you want to meet them? Okay, I will show you. Okay. First one is A, E, I, O, and U. These are 5 friends. These are 5 friends, and these are also called magic letters. These are also called magic letters. So we will keep them aside, okay? We will keep them aside, means at one side. Like this. A, E, I, O, and U. Now they are categorized in 2 categories. One is this one and another one is this one. If they are called vowels, then what these letters are called? What these letters are called? They are called consonants. What they are called? Consonants. And how many consonants are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So there are 21 consonants. Okay. But what do you mean by vowels and consonants? Vowels are the sounds. As we have swar in Hindi, in the same manner, we have sounds without which a word cannot be made. Okay? So, do you know your name? Do you know the spelling of your name? Okay. I'll tell you, I'm going to write down my spelling here. Okay? I'm writing my name here. Look, I have written my name. This is my name, Meenakshi. So, Meenakshi, E. So just as we have swars in Hindi, a, I, u, u, ri, e, I, o, au, ang, ah. These swars we have in Hindi. In the same manner, we have swars in English also, and they are called vowels. They give sounds to the consonants. And these are the vowels, as you can see here. These are the vowels. Letter A, E, I, O, U. Now I have written my name here. We are to find out the vowels inside this. Which vowel is first? First one is which vowel? A. Do we have A here? Can you find out A? Yes, it's here. Let's circle it. Okay. Now, which is the second vowel? Second vowel is E. So, do we have E here? Yes, we have two E here. 1 and 2. Now, come to the next vowel. Which vowel is this? I. Do we have I here? Yes, I do have. If I remove this, if we will take out the vowels from my name, then what we will get? I will get these consonants. Can we make a name without vowel? Do you think that can we make our name without help of vowels? No, we can't. Okay, tell me your name. Suppose you are Khushbu. Okay? You are Khushbu, and spelling of Khushbu is Khushb and double O. Khushbu. So let's find out vowels inside inside this name. Which is the first vowel? A. Do we have A here? No. Next one is E. Do we have E? No. Next one is I. Do we have I here? No, we don't have. Which one is this? O. Do we have O here? Yes. This one and this one. How many O do we have here? 2. Right? So two vowels we have here. And which letter is this? U. Do we have U here? Yes. This one. So at last I would like to tell you that we have vowels help us in making name of person, any place, anything, name of anything, whatever we see around, that everything has a vowel inside it. Okay, if we are going to write down like this, it doesn't make any sense. Now look here. We have some letters over here, and we are to circle the vowels in these letters. What we are to do? We are to circle. On the one hand, we are going to keep all these vowels so that it will be very easier for us to find out. Now we have this one is already done. So we are coming to the next word, C-O-T. C-O-T, caught. Okay. I have told you that we have 5 friends without which we can't make words. So do we have any number from any letter from here? Do we have C? No. Then O, yes, O we have here. So we are going to circle it. You have to keep it. Let's write these vowels on the fingertips. Okay, I'm going to write all the vowels on my 5 fingers. We have 5 fingers and we have 5 vowels. So I'm going to write it on each of the finger. Look, I have written all the vowels in my finger. Now let's see the next one. B. Do we have B? No, because it is not a vowel. Do we have A? Yes, we have A here. So we are going to circle the letter A. It is a vowel. Which word is this? H-U-T, hut. Do we have any of the vowel here? Yes, we have U here. So we will circle this one also. Now come to the next one. L-E-D. So do we have any of it? Do we have any of it here? Yes, we have letter E. So we will circle the letter E. R-A-T. Do we have any of the vowel here? Yes. A. So we will circle this one also. Now F-I-T, fit. Which vowel do we have here? I. So we will circle the letter I. Now L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. Do we have any of the vowel here? Yes. O. So we will circle O. Now B-E-T, bet. B-E-T, bet. Do we have any vowel over here? Yes, this one, E. So we will circle E. Now S-E-T, which vowel do we have here? E. Circle the letter. H-O-T, which vowel do we have? O. Circle the letter O. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. Which vowel do we have? U in the middle. Now the last one is B-U-T, but. Which vowel do we have here? U. So we are going to circle the letter U. I hope you have understood the concept of vowel and consonants. So at last, I would like to recapitulate everything. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And rest all letters are consonants and they are 21 in number. So that's all from my side. Goodbye everyone.